In this video, I will show you how to change your Threads bio. So let's jump straight into it. Of course, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up the Threads app on your device. So from here, you're going to want to come to your profile. So to do this, if you look in the bottom right hand corner, you've got your profile icon. So just go ahead and press onto that. And you can see the bio is this little section at the top. So for mine, I've just put, "Hi, I'm the Tech Tutor, here to solve all your tech related problems." So to actually go ahead and edit this bio, what you want to do is press the edit profile button underneath. And this is going to bring up your profile information. From here, just go ahead and press onto bio. And what you can do is just go ahead and change this from here. You can also import your bio from Instagram if you want to by pressing this button at the bottom. And once that's done and you're happy with all the changes, go ahead and press the tick in the top right hand corner to save your changes. And as you can see, that's now saved. And that is how you go ahead and change your bio on Threads. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.